Welcome to a video from thedigital.com. In this short video we're going to be looking at the Windows 11 May 2023 update, also known as Moment 3. Microsoft are delivering the smallest set of Windows updates frequently, so that there's not one big major update with a big 4 gig download. So there was a Moment 2 in February, this is Moment 3 now in May. This is about to be released or released pretty soon now in May 2023. So I'm going to show you some of the highlights of those, or some of the ones that I found most interesting. First one is up on the widget board. The widget board is now split into this 3-column view with the feed, the news feed on the right, and the widgets here on the left. I actually prefer this. To be honest, I'd get rid of that news feed and just have useful widgets on there. There's a new Facebook one as well if you're interested in that. So I quite like that layout design. And if you go here, you've got a new widget picker, which gives you a preview of what the widget will look like as well, so that makes it easier to find everything. And you can click on find more widgets and it'll take you to the Windows Store, where it'll show you applications where you can see apps that are supported with widgets. Some of the changes on the Task Manager, you'll see down here I've got seconds over on the clock, and that's because in settings, so here's a new setting to show the seconds, so you get to show that or not now. Another thing in settings as well is you've got the touch keyboard, whether you always show it, only show it when there's no keyboard attached, or never show it. So if you've got a Surface Pro or something like that, a Surface Go, then that would be a good setting to adjust to suit what you need. Also, there's a VPN icon will show down here if you're connected using one of the recognized VPNs. Another new one is when you receive an email with 2-factor authentication codes, you sign into a service and it sends you a code via email, you can copy it from the email straight to the clipboard, so that's quite handy. You see we've got the big button down here in the search as well. I think that's maybe rolling out beforehand, but anyway, that's part of this update. And we get a new animated icons for the weather. I haven't seen these a lot, but if there's a weather event, then you should see an animated icon. Another change, if you use the keyboard shortcut to open the right click menu button on the keyboard, you get the keyboard like that, the menu like that, and the shortcut keys that go along with them. So if I pressed H, it would do open with, if I did O, it would do open, A would do copy path, and so on. So makes it just a bit easier to use. In settings, there's a few other changes. Your accounts, you see your OneDrive status in there, the amount of storage you're using. There is a USB 4 page if you've got USB 4 devices. I have it on this virtual machine, and settings should be quicker to search as well. And there is a presence sensor as well, presence sensor setting. So if your device has a presence sensor, you can turn that off in privacy settings. There's a live kernel dump in Task Manager. You can right click and do live kernel dump. Developers know what that's for, but that's handy for developer tools for debugging issues. And the accessibilities voice control has got additional language. There's Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Danish, English, including Irish and other Ireland and other dialects, Korean, and they've improved the in-app help as well to support those languages. So those are the highlights of the changes in this Moment 3 May 2023 update. It's not a massive update, but it's nice to have a few new features, improve accessibility and make life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching this video. Like if you do, you can subscribe and all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.